All right, this is question number 10 for the practice final. In this particular question, we're asked to graph a function. So there's two ways of doing this. There's the simple look at it method and process with like what it's saying, and then there's actually calculating out the different results. I'm first going to show you how to just look at it and solve it. The first part being we have x squared. X squared will always make a parabola, which is this shape here. And because our x is positive, it makes a smiley face, or opens upward, you could say, is what they say. The other thing is we have plus 2. So what that means is we're going to go up 2 spaces from 0, as a simple x squared will always start at origin, and plus 2 means go up from origin. So if we look at this, we can tell that the for the graph that we have, this right here, this question would be it, because from origin, we go up 2 spaces, and it has the shape of the parabola. So we already know the question. The answer is A. Let's prove it now with our calculation. So what we're going to do is we're going to put values in for x. The first value I always start with is 0. And then because it's a parabola, we're going to do -1, -2, 1, and 2. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our parentheses squared plus 2. And I'm going to copy it because I have an iPad. I'm going to copy it several times. And you would just be rewriting it for this. And that is my cat. Okay, so as we process these through, we're just going to put in the number that we have. So the first one, of course, is a -2, a -1, a 0, a 1, and a 2. We're going to solve each of them. The first one being -2 squared, which is 4, plus 2. -1 squared, which is 1 plus 2. 0 plus 2. And then, of course, we have 1 plus 2 and 4 plus 2. Notice that in each case, no matter if we use positive or -2, a parabola that is opening upwards will just always be the same value after being squared. So the first one is going to be 6, then 3, then 2, then 3, and 6. So if you look over on this graph to the side, we have at -2, we are going to go up by 6, and that's our first point. For the next one, at -1, we're going to go up to 3 and make that a dot. We already have 0 and 2. And the other ones simply mirror the other side. So this confirms that this graph is this chart, which is the equation.